Ladies and gentlemen, we have quite the treat today. We are taking the STO to go on a tour of that garage that went super viral. I mentioned it in my last video, but the video got like 8.5 million views, which is just disgustingly weird. The owner invited us to go take a tour of the garage, so I guess we're just gonna take the STO. I figured might as well show up in a cool car. We got Keenan today, Mr. Professor, and we're gonna get going. I forget these cars are small.
All right, what is, do you know where to go?
Yes. It's got the auto windows too, that's kind of nice.
Yeah, you know, luxury features. Doesn't have a cup holder.
No power seats though, we got
no
this guy
power
right here.
seat, no cup holder, no cruise control, no.
Is the cup holder even an option on the STO? Because I know the regular base Huracan, you can get it.
With the Carbon 12 package I have, no.
So,
Oh, it's right here.
yeah, turn here. Oh, he's got the cars out for us. Nice. Oh man, he's got them out. Yeah, just pull up right next to this guy. Oh my gosh, this is nuts. So we got the 812 in there too. Jesus. What do we go knock on the door? Wrapped up the tour. That was quite fun. Very nice guy. What a cool place. We've got a couple things this weekend to wrap up. Got some Michigan football going to be watching this evening. And Cars and Coffee tomorrow. And carbon fiber engine cover finally came in the mail. 3 months in the making. So we'll be putting that on, and then we're going to be that guy. We're going to pop the hood at Cars and Coffee. Got a wild Brando spotting out in nature. No cup holders in the STO, unfortunately. Ladies and gentlemen, we are heading out. Figured let's turn it into a fun little day. Don't have any plans, so I think we're gonna go jet skiing, which sounds pretty fun. So today we're unboxing a little something we got in the mail. Cheers. Today is exciting because we ordered this actually in June. I'm glad that. This is going on as soon as. Ooh, we get a little sneak peek. Check this out. What's on here? This is a piece we ordered in June. It took 3 months. It's well worth it. It's a custom carbon fiber piece. You gotta dust this thing off.
Wow.
Holy mackerel.
Wow.
It's under the clear coat. Paint matched Ibis white to the car. Got the red stripes for the S4.
Kev G, that's nasty, buddy.
Holy mackerel. We've waited 3 months.
Yeah, that's.
All right, ladies and gents, we're gonna put this on the car. I have no idea, my engine bay might be super dirty, but we're gonna find out together. It's not too bad. It's not great, but it's not bad, you know. one of those mornings. Now this should, in a perfect world, just pop right into place. All right, so that's all lined up. Oh my gosh. That looks so wild. I'm gonna get some detail spray. That is crazy. We have the paint matched Ibis white color on this, guys. This is so nuts. Oh my gosh. Okay. Whew, that looks so good. We are heading to Cars and Coffee. It is rainy, as you can tell, so I have no idea what to expect. There could be like 3 people there or like 33. It is what it is. Rolling up about 30 minutes late. Guess we'll see what the turnout is. I want some coffee. Oh, it's getting so dirty. The weather's like so hit or miss right now. I think there's like one storm cloud that kind of rolled through, woke me up with some thunder. So pretty nice way to wake up. We have like this weird little pause where it's not raining yet. And then I think it's going to continue to rain here in like an hour or so. That's why I'm about 30 minutes late, but better late than never. I do want some good coffee, and Aromas does have some pretty tasty coffee. So let's check it out, see what's going on. Actually, crazy turnout. I didn't really film any of the Cars and Coffee, but there were like 30, 40 cars there, which is pretty cool for a little rainy October Sunday morning. What a cool tour of that garage. That guy was super nice. Absolutely stunning and motivating, I'll say. Kind of crackling pretty good. This thing looks so cool. This is a piece I'm gonna keep forever. If I do sell this car, it will 100% be hung up in my garage somewhere. Because what an absolute like artistic piece. This is so cool. Made by Carbon Lab, who are the same company that did the grill and the charge pipes and the intercooler. What a cool company. They do a little bit of everything. And now a little bit of customization. Oh my gosh, this is like maybe the dumbest thing I've spent money on in a while, but it brings me joy, so it's absolutely worth it. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button. It helps out the algorithm. Such a cool experience. The reel that I posted ended up going like bonkers on Instagram with like over 8 million views. So to actually get an invite to go tour the garage was so cool. Like still kind of in shock that we got to do that. So as a car guy, that was like the dream. If you guys want to see more cool car content, make sure to hit subscribe. Until next time, ladies and gents, we'll see ya.